Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete Google Photos without deleting them from the gallery. Launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Tap on the photo you want to delete to open it. Tap on the delete icon located at the bottom right corner on the screen. A message will appear stating that the photo will be removed from your Google account. Devices with backup turned on, and places shared within Google Photos. Tap OK to confirm. If you want to delete multiple photos, select them and proceed to the next step. When prompted, tap on Don't Allow to prevent Google Photos from deleting the photos from your device. Switch to your web browser on your mobile device or computer. Type photos.google.com into the search bar and press Enter to access Google Photos on the web. Locate the photos you want to delete and click on them to open. Click on the delete icon again and select Move to Bin to remove the photos from Google Photos. Return to your mobile device's gallery app. You will notice the photos are still there. Navigate back to the Google Photos app. You will see that the photos have been deleted from Google Photos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.